Hey guys, Boy the Cones. Right now, I thought I would do a simple video on defeating the Ender Dragon with my new mod I just installed. So I'm already in the end, but I think I'm just gonna get this and a set of arrows. That's really all I'm gonna need. Just game mode. Yes, okay. I've got my Foxy's hook here. And this. Whenever the Ender Dragon wants to come near me, it's not going to be very happy. That was bad. Foxy's hook and sharpness V, and I want infinity. I want to bring some armor with me too. I only want a couple stuff. I want the sharpness for my hook. I want fire aspect and knockback, and where's the damage sword? Those. And then of course I'm going to want an enchanting table. Okay. First I'm just gonna enchant the armor. And now I'm going to enchant the bone, and I want the fire aspect. I also want sharpness. And then the hook. Okay, I'm going back to the end. And I'm not going to use a sword unless I absolutely have to. But other than that, I am going to go and remove this. Okay. Okay, I gotta get up here first. Healing. Okay. Coming for you, Ender Dragon. Oh. I forgot one thing. Got to add my bows and then my... Okay, now I'm good. Okay. Just look at Foxy. Oh shoot. I'm not going to do this. Changing plans. I'm going to do this differently. I'm just going to show the power of Foxy's hook. Power of Foxy's hook. Let me skip a couple of good hits at the Ender Dragon. See how bad, let's see how bad this is. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to, I have 1 minute to defeat the Ender Dragon if I do not record this fast enough. So, this Ender Dragon is not coming near me at all. So I think I'm going to take video part 2. After this I'm going to take Ender Dragon part 2 and 5 minutes at Freddy's Mod. Yeah, this guy likes to fly over here. And that's the end of his beacons. What is that? And then that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. That was done with Foxy's hook. And